Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can do a velocity edit with ghost effect in CapCut. So first, just prepare your clips, and before you doing the velocity edit, just copy the clips first and make the copy as overlay. Put it at the bottom. And now for the velocity edit, click on the video in the main clip and go to style, find the auto velocity. Okay, just wait until it's fully applied to your clips. Then after that, click on the check icon when it's done. And for the ghost effect, just click on the overlay, go to blend and lower the opacity to around 50. Click on a check icon. Okay, and now choose which part of the clip that you want the ghost effect to appear. So let's say I want to just go to the end of the clips. Okay, I want to get the ghost effect to appear in here, and after that just add a keyframe at the beginning and also the end of the clip. And on the second keyframe, just zoom in the overlay like this. And now go in between the keyframes, go to grabs and select ease out one. Oops. And after that, go to animation, out, find fade out, okay, this one, and adjust it for all of the clips. Click on the check icon, and now you are done with the velocity edit and also ghost effect. Here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on thanks or like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye bye.